हाय माय नेम इज पंकज अग्रवाल। आज हम बहुत बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट ऑन प्राइम नंबर्स पे एक क्वेश्चन देख रहे हैं। हैव अ लुक एट द क्वेश्चन। देयर आर टू प्राइम नंबर्स p एंड q और वी आर गिवन द इक्वेशन p plus q is equal to p minus q whole cube. Now just think for a while. अगर मैं p minus q का whole cube को expand करता हूं, will it help me solve the question? Actually it can if I use Fermat's little theorem, but in general it will make it more complicated. So do I have an alternative? That means क्या मैं p minus q का whole cube को बिना expand किए क्या इसको solve कर सकता हूँ? The main obstacle is p minus q whole cube. अगर मैं उसको expand करता हूँ it becomes more complicated. So what is the solution? Maybe I can write let p minus q is equal to something, say t. So what do we write? P is equal to q plus t. So this equation, what does this equation becomes? Q plus t plus q is equal to t cube, or 2q is equal to t cube minus t. Now t cube minus t, can I write it this way? Or can I write it this way? 2 into q is t minus 1 into t plus 1. Obviously, left hand side is the product of two primes and the right hand side is the product of three positive integers. Actually, the left hand side cannot be written as the product of three positive integers unless one of them is 1. So obviously the smallest one will be 1. So t minus 1 must be 1, that is t equal to 2. And this equation becomes 2q is equal to 1 into 2 into 3, that is q equal to 3. Now t is 2, that means what is t? P minus q. But what is q? So we got the value p is 5 and q we already got. So we know what is p, what is q. That's all. Thank you.